Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of FreeCAD and Fusion 360. One is completely free and open sourced, while the other is a professional industry platform used by engineers and manufacturers around the world. So which one should you choose in 2026? Let's compare them. FreeCAD is a free and open sourced parametric 3D modeling software designed for product design, mechanical engineering, architecture, and other technical applications. Unlike many professional CAD tools that require expensive licenses, FreeCAD is completely free to download and use with no paywall or subscription required. One of the key ideas behind FreeCAD is parametric modeling. That means every design you create is built using parameters like dimensions and constraints. If you change one value later, the entire design automatically updates. This makes FreeCAD extremely useful for mechanical engineering, product prototyping, 3D printing, architecture and BIM, furniture design, and robotics and simulation. But how does FreeCAD compare to Fusion 360? So let's talk about Autodesk Fusion 360. It's a professional cloud-based CAD, CAM, CAE, and PCB design platform developed by Autodesk. Unlike FreeCAD, which focuses mainly on modeling, Fusion 360 combines multiple engineering tools into a single integrated environment. With Fusion 360, you can handle the entire product development process, including 3D modeling, engineering simulations, manufacturing preparation, PCB electronics design, and collaboration with teams. This integrated workflow is one of Fusion 360's biggest advantages. Instead of switching between multiple software tools, engineers can move from concept to manufacturing within the same platform. In short, Fusion 360 is designed as a complete product development platform, whereas FreeCAD focuses more on open source parametric modeling. Now let's look at their core features. For FreeCAD, parametric modeling, as earlier mentioned, FreeCAD allows you to build models using parameters and constraints, meaning that you can modify designs later without starting from scratch. Modular workbenches. FreeCAD includes specialized workbenches as part design, sketcher, drafting, architecture tools, FEM simulation, path for CNC machining. Each workbench focuses on a specific workflow. There's Python scripting. FreeCAD is highly customizable through Python scripting. Developers can automate tasks, create plugins, or build new functionality. Open file format supports. Yes, FreeCAD supports many industry formats like STEP, IGES, STL, DXF, SVG, and OBJ, which helps with interoperability. FreeCAD also runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it accessible across different systems. And there are extensive add-ons. Because it's open sourced, users can extend its capabilities with community-built plugins and extensions. How about the features of Autodesk Fusion 360? Integrated CAD, CAM, and CAE. Fusion 360 combines design, simulation, and manufacturing tools in one platform. Cloud collaboration. Teams can work together on the same design with shared cloud storage and version tracking. Generative design. The software can automatically generate optimized designs based on engineering constraints. Advanced simulation tools. Fusion 360 includes simulation studies that allows engineers to test stress, motion, and structural performance before manufacturing. And there's CAM machining. It supports advanced manufacturing workflows including 2-axis to full 5-axis machining. There's also electronics and PCB design. Fusion 360 supports these designs as well, allowing hardware teams to build both mechanical and electronic components in the same system. So what is the pricing of both platforms? Remember, I mentioned earlier that FreeCAD is completely free and open sourced, no licensing fees or subscriptions required. As for Fusion 360, it's a subscription-based model. There is a yearly plan at $680 per year and $57 per month when billed annually. That's the Autodesk Fusion. You can also try it for free for 30 days. There's Autodesk Fusion for manufacturing and that for design. The prices are way on the higher side. So, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For FreeCAD, it's completely free and open sourced. No subscription or licensing restrictions. It has strong global community support and works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. And the pros of Fusion 360? It's an all-in-one CAD, CAM, CAE, and PCB platform. It has excellent cloud collaboration features and frequent updates and enterprise supports. How about the cons? For FreeCAD, it has a steeper learning curve for beginners, and there's fewer built-in advanced engineering tools. The collaboration features are very limited. And the cons of Fusion 360? It requires a paid subscription for full access, and the hardware requirements are higher. It's also less customizable compared to open source tools. So having considered all this, Fusion 360 or FreeCAD, which one actually comes out on top? Well, the answer really depends on what type of user you are and what kind of projects you're working on. If you want a powerful free CAD tool with flexibility and customization, FreeCAD is a fantastic option. But if you need a professional, all-in-one product development platform with advanced engineering tools, then Fusion 360 is non-negotiable. It's the stronger choice. Well, both tools are excellent, but they serve different types of users. And that's it on the comparison of FreeCAD and Fusion 360. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SolidWorks, Onshape, and Tinkercad. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.